Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am fine. I hope that all we are fine. Alhamdulillah. If Allah wants, we will win on the February 12th in 2026 in Bangladesh. I like Jamaat Islam because they have good manner, good character, and according to activities and according to talking, every work. Their performance good. They reached everybody, every man, every lady, every gentleman, and dawah for Islam. Someday, inshallah, Allah, Allah will free, Allah will free us from all devil, inshallah, because it's our responsibility. We call everybody for Jamaat Islam in Bangladesh. Thanks.